Shubor nagaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jelah Conrad Sangma nekasngi habakali halor ke Jingbym yok Tulop jong kinong hikai SSA kaba penlong yaki ban mi sasurok ban dawa yakahok nagaliang ke jong ulaong ba kinong hikai SSA kim yok Tulop menta kumbasan benai AA kani ke Jingbym yok Tulop kamdei tanghapo ke Jelah Meghalaya hanrei kedai habaro kawei kari Shushu ulaong ru kumba kalong kinong hikai SSA kiyo ya ke jingsiu jongki na ke Sorkar Pdeng kiyo ya ke jingsiu jongki na ke Sorkar Pdeng kumba kenai 4% kani kedai ke skim bangi yo na ke Sorkar Pdeng Nakaliang Menteri Rangba ulai turu ba Menteri badai pet ya ketenat puli puti uba lakmen rembui ulalai cenong ba Delhi banyak kendu ya ki officer badai pet ya ketenat puli puti bat ban wat penia ya kadau jong ke jingslam ban pelat ya kepisa jongki Nakaliang Menteri Rangba ulabu ro ke jingkerpat ya ke Sorkar Pdeng ban pelat no ya kabha kabalamang na ke benta ban siu Tulop ya kinong hikai SSA Habaya keren madubak lakmen rembui Nakaliang jongu ulapan pau sagilat patai kubor bala kumno hakini kitayo kibanwan kinong hikai kila banyo ya kutulop na kabenta lai lani saupnai ula ongru ba udon ke jingkermen bak Sorkar India kan simkia halor kani ke jinge shushu ula ong ba kalong ka ba ya ka Jelah ban siu sabaro kinong hikai klem dayo kapisa na ke Sorkar Pdeng
So you see, the SSA teachers have not been paid throughout the country. So teachers in Maharashtra, teachers in Madhya Pradesh, teachers in Assam, teachers in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, all SSA teachers throughout the country have not been paid for the last 5-6 months. So it is not a problem or an issue that is specific to Meghalaya. It's an all India problem. All chief ministers and education ministers have continuously been following it up with the education department in Delhi. And we are expecting some response from them. Recently also our education minister has gone and met the education department officials in Government of India just about 2 days back. In fact, he came back this morning at 5 o'clock. So he has made some way forward. So we are hopeful that we'll get some relief. But what I'm trying to say is that this is not a Meghalaya only problem. Throughout the country, all SSA teachers have not received their salary for the last 5-6 months. As you are aware, this is a central government scheme and a program, and 90% of the fund comes from central government. Therefore, it is a huge challenge for government to pay on its own from its own pocket. Today, we have about 5-6 months of salary that's due. I may be wrong by 1 or 2 months, but roughly about 150 crores is due to them. So therefore, it's not possible for the state government to shell that money out even in advance, since it's a large amount. So the message I want to give is that we are very concerned about this. We are aware about this. All the chief ministers and the state governments are pressing Government of India, and I would like to appeal also to Government of India that they should release this at the earliest. And it's not a problem only specific to Meghalaya. It's a problem throughout the country.
I hope that the Government of India will take a concrete step so that this issue will be solved once for all, because this is here now and then. It is like this. If they clear one go also, it's all right. But the thing is that is spending 2, 3, 4, 5 months altogether is quite, because we need to open 6 crore per month to pay the salary. Now, until and unless the fund we receive from the government, it's very difficult, because as I said, that 26 crore per month we need to pay the salary fund. For these teachers. So until unless the government will release the fund as per its commitment, so it's very difficult for the state government to do anything. But I hope that we are trying to impress every now and then, and yes, we also impress them, but at least they should release as much as possible. But ultimately decided is 59 crore.